In music theory, hemiola is a rhythmic device that involves playing a pattern of 2 beats in the same amount of time that is normally reserved for a pattern of 3 beats, or vice versa. It is essentially a rhythmic crossover, where the regular meter of the music is temporarily disrupted and a new pattern is introduced. Hemiolas are most commonly found in music that is written in compound time signatures, such as 6/8, 9/8, or 12/8. In these time signatures, each beat is divided into 3 subbeats, resulting in a more complex rhythmic structure than simple time signatures like 4/4 or 2/4. One common example of a hemiola occurs when a composer divides a measure of 6/8 time into 2 groups of 3 beats each, then writes a melody or rhythm that emphasizes a pattern of 2 beats in the first group and 3 beats in the second group. This creates a feeling of tension and release, as the listener's expectation of the regular meter is temporarily disrupted and then resolved. Hemiolas can also be used to create a sense of syncopation, where the emphasis is placed on offbeats or unexpected parts of the rhythm. This can add a level of complexity and interest to a piece of music, and can be a fun challenge for performers to execute. Another common metrical displacement pattern, the hemiola, is illustrated in example 2.11. Read the rhythm aloud on ta or counting syllables while conducting, first level, A, then level, B. As you will discover, the beats in measures 3 and 4 group into 2s, implying a temporary duple meter despite the overall triple meter. At level C, you can hear a larger meter in those measures. You may hear a hemiola as a temporary change of meter, or as both meters, duple and triple, continuing at the same time, creating a type of syncopation. A hemiola, often found in Baroque music to signal an important arrival point, is a temporary duple rhythmic grouping in the context of an underlying triple meter. Typically, 2 measures of meter are heard as 3 measures of 2/4. A hemiola may be articulated by rhythmic durations, accents, or melodic patterns. This example shows a hemiola in context. At the beginning of the excerpt, the meter is strongly articulated in the lower 3 parts, while soprano pitches tied across the bar line add rhythmic and harmonic interest. In measures 88 to 90, the upper 2 voices move in half-note groupings against the underlying triple meter, making a hemiola, which might be conducted in as shown. Note the double dot notation in the tenor and bass parts in M85. Thank you so much for watching this lesson on hemiola in music theory. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel for more music theory lessons and tutorials. Your support helps us create more content like this and reach a wider audience. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks again for tuning in.